Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The 2025 Audi A6 continues the legacy of Audi's mid-sized luxury sedan, blending sophistication with modern technology and performance. This model brings enhancements to its design, interior technology, and driving capabilities, setting a new standard for luxury in its class. With a sleek exterior, tech-forward cabin, and performance-driven engineering, the 2025 A6 is an appealing option for those who seek refinement and advanced functionality in a premium vehicle. The 2025 Audi A6 embraces a blend of luxury and innovation, aimed at enhancing comfort and driver engagement. Known for its balance between elegance and performance, the A6 offers updates that keep it at the forefront of the luxury sedan market. From high-quality materials to cutting-edge technology, the A6 is crafted to appeal to both longtime Audi enthusiasts and new buyers alike. Inside, the 2025 Audi A6 impresses with a minimalist yet elegant design featuring premium materials like leather, wood, and aluminum accents. Audi's MMI Touch response system integrates dual screens on the dash, giving easy access to navigation, media, and climate controls. Ambient lighting adds a personalized touch, and spacious seating ensures a comfortable ride for all occupants. The A6 also includes advanced driver assistance displays in its virtual cockpit, providing crucial data directly in the driver's line of sight. The exterior of the 2025 A6 is bold and contemporary. Audi's signature single-frame grille has been slightly reshaped for a sleeker, more aggressive look, accompanied by slim matrix-LED headlights that add a high-tech feel. Clean lines run along the sides, highlighting its aerodynamic form, while the rear features a subtle spoiler and refined taillights that give the A6 a distinctive presence on the road. Various alloy wheel options and paint finishes allow for further customization. The 2025 Audi A6 offers several engine options, ranging from a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder to a robust V6, paired with a mild hybrid system for enhanced efficiency. The engines are paired with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring stability and control in various driving conditions. With adaptive air suspension, the A6 offers a smooth and responsive ride, delivering agility on winding roads and comfort on highways. Audi places a high emphasis on safety in the 2025 A6, equipping it with an array of advanced driver assistance systems. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera. Audi Presense systems add further layers of safety by preparing the vehicle for potential collisions through proactive measures, ensuring passengers are well protected. Overall, the 2025 Audi A6 combines luxury, technology, and performance, making it a well-rounded choice in the premium sedan market. With a refined interior, sleek exterior, and advanced safety features, the A6 stands as a compelling option for those seeking both comfort and capability. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.